legally snoop on your spouse? The Supreme Court of India says yes, because snooping in itself equals a broken marriage. But how does the Evidence Act and the right to privacy play out in this case? So this case has its genesis in a matrimonial court dispute between husband and wife in Bhatinda, Punjab, where the husband alleged cruelty by his wife in his divorce case and submitted recordings between them as evidence. The case reached Supreme Court when the Punjab and Haryana High Court in 2021 disallowed such evidence from being submitted. You see, Section 122 of the Evidence Act, which has now been replaced by Section 121 of the PSA 2023, recognizes that privacy of communication exists between spouses. But then we also have the KS Puttaswamy case of 2017, which says that everyone has the right to privacy. But now, court is saying we still have that right to privacy under law. It goes when a couple which is litigating against each other comes to court. The bench asserted that while the right to privacy exists between a couple, it is not absolute and it must be read in conjunction with the right to fair trial, which is also protected under Article 21 of the Constitution. Also, the threefold test of relevance, identification, and accuracy has to be satisfied before court admits the couple's recorded conversations in evidence. Now, this sets a very important precedent and it is game-changing for matrimonial disputes, where technology is meeting traditional marriage law, particularly where there are issues such as mental cruelty or marital discord, and they're being litigated in court and the recordings are the only evidence.